Do you want to make your videos more festive and exciting? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add fireworks effect to your footage in CapCut Mobile using built-in video effects feature. Let's get started. Open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the editing timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Video Effects. Browse through the available effect categories and you can use the search bar to search for fireworks. Tap the effect to preview it on your footage. You will see colorful fireworks animation appear over your video. But also, you can make some adjustments. Click the Adjust button and slide the slider all the way you want. If you like the look, tap the check mark to apply the effect. Drag either end to make the firework display shorter or longer. Play your video before exporting to make sure that the fireworks appear at the perfect time. And there you have it! That's how you add fireworks to your footage in CapCut Mobile. Keep editing, keep creating, and thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.